How to change frame rates in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Capcut application and make sure that you select the project that you want to change the frame rate for. So let's just open up the Capcut over here. Wait until it loads and then you can select any of the project over here. So here I'm going to select on this project. And after selecting on the project, in order to improve the frame rate or change the frame rate right now, you can tap on this option at the top of the screen. Tap on that and here you can see the option of frame rate over here below the resolution option. So right now it's mentioned at 30. If you want to have a better frame rate or better playback, smoother playback, then you can just increase it to 50 to 60 and whichever is convenient and more useful for you. I'm going to go for 60 and then tap on export, and here you can have already changed the frame rate. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today.